Getting ahead of a fast Range Rover is pretty tough. But not for a student from our driving school. This guy is always confident. All right, this is where the driving exam takes place. Where is everyone? Fine. So, this is what driving your own car feels like. Oh yeah, I like it. Hey, hurry up. Oh, a window controller. Ooh, she's hot. Hey, cutie, need a ride? Why not? This car is awesome. It can drive 125 miles per hour, you know? I see you got the hang of it. Great, let's start the exam. This turn of events took the student by surprise. This student is a neat freak. This dust has been here for a week. No way! I can't hold the steering wheel. Everything I touch has to be squeaky clean like this. This student will nail her exam. This is what happens when a gamer takes a driving exam. Your mission in the harsh world of GTA is to pass a driving test. All set for the mission. This is the school's most insecure student. Excuse me, may I sit down? Sure. Good afternoon. So, what should I do? Start the car and drive straight, just like you learned it in class. Oh, I'm so nervous! Ah! What have you done? Oh no, I didn't mean to! Aha! So you are breaking the law! Get out of the car! You are under arrest! I'm innocent! Another anxious type. What? Everything's okay? Was I just imagining things? Oh, this student is rich. You can tell by the bodyguard that's following him. Yeah, I'm at an exam. I'm getting my driver's license. Nah, we can keep talking. How much is a barrel of oil? Deal, we have to buy it. No, it won't take me long. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Boss, here's your license. Thanks, I can always rely on you. Hi there. Ooh, a belt! This girl isn't the brightest student at our driving school. Let's press this button. Let's go! Oh, I'm driving! I have to film it for Twitter. Hold the wheel! I'm driving! Hi, everyone! I'm getting my driver's license. So, it's important to look at the rearview mirror. Yeah, I know about the mirror. What are you doing? Watch the road! Don't expect this student to ever get her license. This student is a professional wrestler. Are you the instructor? I'm here! We can go! Hey! He cut me off! I'll handle it! You're a dead man! Whoa! Not bad! You passed! Congrats! Let's start the exam. This student is always followed by his mom. And this is my mom. Oh, good afternoon. Go straight up to the turn. Son, eat a cucumber. Have some. No, thanks. Veggies are very healthy. This is an exam. You are so strict. Turn right now. No, son, turn left. No, right. You can't turn left there. Back off. Turn left. Mother knows best. It's impossible to work. Go like this. Pay attention to the signs. You are doing great, Mama sweet boy. Mom! You are my pride and joy. And that's how I took my driving test, and I still didn't get my license. My instructor wasn't as cute as this one. In my opinion, driving instructors are overrated. Son, you did amazing. You passed the exam. Here's your license. Thanks, Mom. Wait, that's my job. This student is a mechanic, and he wants to get a driving license too. I'm so sorry for being late. I was fixing an engine. Don't worry, let's start the exam. Let's go. Oh, the car died. What could possibly be wrong? Don't worry, I'll take a look. What do we have here? Ah, I see. I do this every day. How's it going? I'll fix it in 5 minutes. Don't worry. All right, let's check it. There we go. It works. Thanks. Let's drive. Excuse me, what about my paycheck? Oh, sure. Thanks. Anytime. Where are you going? What about your exam? This student is exhausted. I'm your instructor. Remember that the first thing you have to do in a car is buckle up. Then you drive straight till the first turn. You'll see a warning sign there. She's sleeping. The poor girl is tired. Well, take a nap. I won't bother you. Go straight. This is my friend. Is it okay? Hi, guys. I'll support my best friend. He drives better than Michael Schumacher. We are entering a turn. Whoa! It's even better than a roller coaster. Is your friend all right? Ignore him. He's always like this. Please, go back to your spot. You are distracting the driver from the road. Buddy, sit still over there. Is your ear itchy? I can pick your nose while you're busy. What an annoying guy. A nice song is the best for relieving stress while you're driving. This is unbearable. Hi, you won't believe it. Our friend Sean is driving right now. Yeah, like right now. He is taking a driving exam, and I'm helping him out. Moral support. I'm not bothering him. This instructor is so annoying. Give me your papers and the pen. We can handle it without you. That's it. I'm done. I quit. Bro, let's go. This student is successfully passing her exam. The instructor is satisfied. Until one moment. Turn to the right. Now to the left. Good job. Oops. This was a fatal mistake. This is the slowest student at our driving school. Can you sit down already? I'm doing it. Buckle up. Yeah. Hang on. It's not working for some reason. Oh! The engine. And let's go. Why are you so slow? A pedestrian walks faster than you drive. Done! Did I pass the exam? We'll never know. Oh, thank you! This is my best day! Did I actually get it? My driving license! I can't believe it! Whoops! Did you like our characters? Then comment below who you liked the most. A wrestler? A mechanic? Or a neat freak? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new hilarious stories from Troom.